can you describe the concept of interaction design? Interaction design focuses on designing how users interact with a product, emphasizing the usability, intuitiveness, and delight of those interactions. Additionally, it involves designing meaningful and intuitive user interfaces, defining user flows, and creating interactive elements such as buttons, forms, and animations. Furthermore, interaction design aims to optimize the user's interaction with the product, ensuring efficient task completion and a positive user experience. And that's beautiful, guys.